Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a cool feature from Erank Pro that allows you to see daily sales from your competitors. So if you want to spy on your competitors and see how many Etsy sales they're getting daily or weekly, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, this is a tool available on Erank Pro and it's called Track Competitors. The reason why I wanted to promote it or talk about it is because it's a really cool feature. You're able to go in there, you're able to add up to 50 stores, and all you do is grab the store's name, add it to the list, and now you're able to see or auto-populate how many sales they get per day or per week. And this is really, really great when you're spying on your competitors or when you're doing market research. So if you're looking for a new niche to start and you're not really sure if it sells or not, this is a really cool tool to see if it's something that is worth your time. So all you have to do is you go to Erank, and if you go on the bottom right here, it says Track Competitors. If you click there, it's going to open this new window right here. So you just find a store that you want to check. So let's say I'm going to just do like a digital store. So digital planner. So let's say I want to check this store right here. So all you do is grab their name. So Ellie's template. You go back to Erank, you put the name right here, you do a search. You add it to the list, you press continue, and here you go. Here's the information. So Friday of last week, 11 sales, Saturday 7, Sunday 9, this week Monday 16, Tuesday 6, Wednesday 9 sales, today so far 9 sales. And for the week in total has been 67 sales, which is pretty good for a digital planner store that only has 49 items. That's really, really, really great. So this is a great way to check any store that maybe is your competitor, or like I said, if you're doing research and trying to find a specific niche that you're not really sure if people are buying or not. Maybe you find a store that's fairly new, then you're able to check that. Let's check another one just to see what information it gives us. So I'm going to add this new one here. You do the same every time you add a new store. So let's go ahead and add this one. Continue. And this store gets pretty good sales as well. 14 on Friday, 6 on Saturday, 9 on Sunday, 17, 12, 8, 6. So a total of 72 for the week. So yeah, digital planners are very popular on Etsy for sure. But as you can see, they don't have like a crazy amount of planners. Like they only have 190 items, which is pretty good number. And the other store that we just looked at only have 49 items. So it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to have 3,000 listings to make money on Etsy. You could have a store that has less. But this is a really cool tool to do some market research and also to spy on your competitors. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any questions about it, and thank you guys for watching.